Hello and welcome back to Tectonic, your one stop destination for all things technical. My name is Raghav, and today I'll show you how you can easily create your own e signature that you can use to self sign a digital soft copy without having to take a printout. Let's get started. So, the first thing you need to do is to write down your signature on a plain white paper and take a close up photo of it. Now let's create a transparent PNG image of the signature. Let's open up Photoshop, select new. Let's name this eSign. Keep the resolution 2080 and 1450. Make sure the background is transparent. Click OK. Let's rename this layer PG. Let's also copy this layer by hitting Ctrl J. Okay. Now drag and drop the image of your signature. Rotate this a bit. Yeah. Hold shift and expand this a bit. Okay. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, now we have a signature layer. Let's rasterize this by right clicking on the layer, select rasterize layer. Okay. Let's get rid of this extra background by cropping this image a bit. All we need is the width and size of your signature. Okay, yeah, this looks good. Now let's get rid of all the background by selecting the magic wand. Click on the layer. It'll create a selection and hit on the delete button. Yeah. Okay. Let's remove the excessive background. Yeah, this looks good. There's some patches that can be removed using select tool. Let's go ahead and remove this. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so this looks good, and I think this is ready to be exported as a PNG image. Let's do that. Let's go to file, save for web, select the preset as PNG24, make sure it's transparent and hit save. There you go. We have the transparent PNG image of our signature. Now let's see how we can add this on top of a PDF document. Okay, back to Photoshop. Now let's open up the PDF document that I want to add my signature to. Okay. Keep all the options as is. Click on OK. Now this creates a new layer with the content of your PDF over a transparent background. Now let's drag and drop the PNG image of our signature that we created. Scale this down a bit. Okay. Yeah. Now let's place it next to the signature. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, this looks okay. Let's zoom it a bit. Yeah, perfect. Now let's go ahead and save this as a PDF document. Go to save as, select Photoshop PDF, hit save. There you go. Save PDF. Yes. So this is how your PDF looks like. Pretty realistic. The signature looks as if you've signed it yourself. This looks good. Okay, now if you don't want to save this as a PDF document, and let's say you want to save it as an image, simply have to go to save as, select JPEG, hit on save, and that is it. Congratulations, now you have your own e-signature that you can use anytime, anywhere, but use it with your own discretion, and of course keep your signature safe. That's all for today. If you made it all the way till here, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, stay technical.